Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by checking your Windows edition and making a restore point. That saves time if something goes wrong. Once done, sign in with an administrator account. Open the Group Policy Editor if you have Pro/Enterprise, otherwise launch Registry Editor for Home. Make sure Windows Update isn't actively installing. Pauses avoid policy conflicts. Now navigate to the correct configuration area for the store. This is the first actionable change that stops the app from running. If you're in Group Policy, go to Computer Configuration, Administrative Templates, Windows Components, then Store. Once there, enable Turn off the store application and click Apply. This prevents the store from launching. For Home, use Registry Editor. Create the key under HKLM/software/policies/Microsoft/Windows Store and add a 32-bit word named Remove Windows Store with value 1. After either change, run gpupdate/force or sign out and back in. Finally, restart the PC or sign out to ensure the policy or registry takes effect, then attempt to open Microsoft Store. You should see it blocked. To reverse, set the group policy to not configured or change Remove Windows Store to 0 and reboot. If the store returns unexpectedly, check for domain/group management or a Windows update that reset policies. As a key troubleshooting tip, run SFC and DISM to repair system components and confirm policy precedents if a management server is overriding your setting.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.